Using ADP Run Payroll software involves a series of steps to ensure accurate and efficient payroll processing. Here's a concise guide. Log into ADP Run. Access the ADP Run portal and log in with your administrator credentials. Set up employees. Ensure all employee information is up to date. This includes personal details, job titles, pay rates, and tax information. Enter payroll data. Navigate to the payroll section. Input hours worked for hourly employees, confirm salaries for salaried employees, and enter any bonuses or commissions. Verify deductions. Review and apply necessary deductions such as taxes, health insurance, retirement contributions, and other benefits. Preview payroll. Click on Preview payroll to review a summary of the payroll calculations. Check for any discrepancies in earnings, deductions, and net pay. Submit payroll. Once reviewed and verified, click Approve or Submit to process the payroll. ADP will then handle the calculations and fund transfers. Distribute pay stubs. Employees can access their pay stubs through the ADP self-service portal, or you can print and distribute them manually. Post-payroll reports. Generate and review post-payroll reports for record keeping and compliance. These reports include details on payroll expenses, tax filings, and benefit deductions. Tax filing and compliance. ADP Run assists with automatic tax filing and compliance, ensuring all federal, state, and local taxes are accurately calculated and filed.